Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's going to be all about talking about the do's and don'ts regarding using essential oils as a massage in order to be used topically on the skin to help with healing, physical and mental symptoms, and also to help bring relaxation as well. So the most important thing that I want you to know in regards to using essential oils in massage is safety. Please make sure you use them responsibly and safely. When you're using essential oils, you're basically using oils that are concentrated, that have concentrated compounds that can irritate the skin, no matter how safe they are. First of all, you need to make sure you get your dilution formula correctly. So make sure you dilute them with a carrier oil. These can be grapeseed oil, they can be jojoba, sweet almond oil, or even olive oil as well. Now keep that in mind. If you do have nut allergies, be careful with sweet almond oil, because most people that have nut allergies or sensitivity to nuts also develop a reaction to sweet almond oil. So I would avoid that if I have any issues with digesting nuts that way. My favorite oil of choice this way is jojoba oil. It's easily absorbed by the skin, and it's also very lightweight, and the aroma is not really strong, so it won't be overpowering and compete with the aroma of the essential oils. So the blends that you can use, of course, usually you need to focus on, when we're dealing with adults, it's usually 20 milliliters of carrier oil, and then you add to that 10 drops of essential oils combined. So if you're using two types of essential oils, like let's say lavender and rose, you would use 5 drops of lavender, 5 drops of rose, and then I would add 20 milliliters of carrier oil, let's say jojoba in this case. And this is amazing, because what you could do is you could prepare ahead of time that mixture, dilute it already, put it in an amber glass bottle and store it away from sunlight, and then whenever you want to use the essential oil as a massage oil, simply shake it through before you use, and you have that bottle ready to go with the correct dilution, so you don't need to do it each time. Also, now please make sure that if you are intending to use the essential oil mixture that you've just made as a full body massage oil, do not, because there are specific areas, sensitive areas, especially like in the mouth and in the face, around the eyes as well. In the face area, you cannot massage using essential oils that way, the same one that you apply to your body. So stay away from the face. And also people who have sensitive, irritated, dry skin as well, they need to dilute the essential oils even further. So rather than using 20 milliliters of carrier oil and adding to that 10 drops of essential oil, they need to dilute it even further. People who are young, people who are having sensitive skin, they need to cut it in half, the essential oil drops, cut it in half, make sure that they use about 5 drops of essential oil, combine it with 20 milliliters of carrier oil would be best for them. And also please make sure, if you haven't used an essential oil before, make sure you do a patch test 24 hours prior to using it to know that you don't have any sort of allergic reaction before you lather it up all over your body. And the blend that you do that we've talked about, like making it ahead of time, usually lasts for about 4 to 5 weeks, so it'll be good to go. And it's great because you could use it for so many different things. If you have sore muscles and sore achy joints, you could even use special essential oils that are designed for helping with joint health and sore joints as well. And these include, for example, rosemary essential oil is great, and also using a carrier oil, not sweet almond oil, not jojoba, but using black seed oil as a carrier oil for the joints and for the sore muscles works amazing, especially if it's organic, especially if it's cold pressed. Whenever I have any sort of shoulder pain, any muscle or joint pain, and I would like to create essential oil mixture for that, I always combine organic cold pressed black seed oil, and I add, like, let's say 20 milliliters of black seed oil. I add to that about 5 to 10 drops of rosemary essential oil, shake it up and use it as a massage area for the achy muscles and achy joints that I have. Works amazing. Next day literally pain free. So just a little bit of a personal experience here, as well as the science and the benefits of black seed back that up as well. So it's something to try if you suffer from constant shoulder pain, achy muscles, and sore joints as well. So we've come towards the end of our video. If you enjoyed today's content, like, share, and subscribe. We would love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.